master any new science or technology, it's really important to build strong foundation for that. And it's absolutely true for programming as well. Knowing the basics of programming initially and then advancing your learning step by step will help you to build strong programming foundations, which will definitely help you on a long-term journey on programming. Hello, welcome to this course, Coding for Kids and Beginners, Laying Programming Foundations Using Python. My name is Ajit Jose and I'm a programmer with more than 10 years of experience in programming with world's leading technology companies. This is a short course containing less than 1.5 hours of video lectures, which is designed for children as well as adults, those who have no prior programming experience. Here you will be introduced to the basic concepts of programming by using the Python programming language. But this will definitely help you to learn any other programming language later on when you wanted to learn. Instead of learning everything about Python in this course, you will be learning only a very small part of the Python, but those are the ones which are the most basic fundamentals of programming. If you are a child or parent of a child who wanted to learn programming, or if you are an adult who wanted to learn programming, or if you are someone who doesn't have any experience in programming but just wanted to get a feel of it and see whether it will be something that you wanted to learn further, then this is the right course for you. And this course is not for you if you have prior programming experience and if you know the basics of programming. Inside the course, you will be learning about Python interactive mode, Python scripting mode, the concepts of using variables, the usage of numbers and strings in programming, and about the ways to get input from the user and show outputs to the user. Welcome to this course. Happy learning. Before we go on, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and also visit our website at joseph.academy.